Hey everyone, Dr. Smith from Smith Chiropractic and Wellness. Last video we did was the external rotators and the glutes. So that was this guy, that whole progression. So if you spend a lot of time in this, you really want to go into extension. So in the past, I used to give patients stretches that they could do dynamically. And honestly, I like the lazy yoga stretches because you do them before you get out of bed. And I kind of came up with some different ones that really help, right? So in the past, you might have done this stretch right here. How this works, if you bring that knee closer to your butt, it's going to intensify the stretch. And if you bring the leg back, it's going to intensify the stretch. So common mistakes, you don't want to hinge forward like this. That doesn't do anything for you. But the more you bring the foot closer to the butt, and the more you bring this leg back, then more intense it's going to be. Hold on to something, right? So this is going to get the quad. If you want to intensify that, go down, grab it with the other hand, go up. This is why you should hold on to something. So if I'm over here, bring it closer to the butt, and gives you work on balance while you're doing this. So you're gonna bring it over. So when you bring it over, you're gonna get more of these guys. So again, when you come down, reach it, come back up. Same thing. You're going to bring that closer and you're going to bring it back to really get this guy. So it's a really easy stretch. However, you can see I'm falling over. So this one's a little bit easier. So we're going to go into this guy. So how this works, grab something like this, not this table, but you know, a bed. You're going to bring your one foot at the head. Your other one goes onto the table. From here, the leg that's down, you want to keep perpendicular to the ground. If I had a leveler, we want the bubble to be in the middle, right? Do not move this. Don't go like this. Don't go like that. Keep it just like this. From here, slide the other leg back. Take all the slack so you start to feel a stretch right here, okay? So once you're in this position, you can stay in this position if you like it, or you can go down to this, which I like. So from here, there's two things you got to do. When you breathe and you exhale, you want to sink this guy this way and this that way. Looks like this, guys. You probably don't see anything on camera, but I intensified it a lot right here. This is where you want to feel it. If you feel it in this leg, shift your whole weight over to this side. Again, table height, right? So just like the other stretch, there's a more intense stretch. You might want to reset before you do that. So go into this position, take your foot, and this time have it on the table so it's angled out, as you can kind of see. So from here, when you set up, when you sink, you're going to get more of the inside groin. That's going to be a better stretch. Again, there's the basics and the advanced, just like some other stretches. So have fun with those. And yeah, good luck.